If you've made it to this part, congratulations! The last step is to close the sale, and that shouldn't be that hard, so keep calm and don't be worried. By now, the prospect probably knows the details and how you can help him. So in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to close the sale. While you're on a call with the prospect, you've got to grab a notebook to write a success plan for the prospect while you listen to his answers to your questions. So by the end of the conversation, you'll have a success plan ready for the prospect. Then you have to share it with the prospect and ask if that sounds good, and always the prospect will say yes. Then he'll start to ask about your coaching details. So you have to give him all the details of your coaching program. So after that, ask the prospect if he has any more questions, and when you're finished with that, ask him these questions. The first one is, do you want me to help you with that? To make sure he is ready to take action. The next question is, when do you want us to start? So that he prepares himself. So by asking these two questions, you'll know if he's going to buy your coaching program or not. Here are some tips to keep in mind when you're closing the sale. First, you have to avoid the technical details like WordPress, sales funnel, and so forth, because it's not the right time to tell the prospect about that. You should tell him the technical details after he joins your coaching program, not before. And the second tip is to let the prospect know what he'll get after joining your coaching program and how he can get access to the materials that you have.